Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Civic Rims is probably one of the most exciting upgrades you can make to your ride. Today, we're diving deep into the world of rims, specifically for your Honda Civic. We'll explore various styles, materials, and sizes to help you find the perfect set that not only looks fantastic but also enhances your car's performance and handling. Get ready to transform your Civic from ordinary to extraordinary. Number 5. BDK-15 Hubcaps, Premium OEM Style Replacement. These hubcaps are designed to fit 15-inch steel rims. They replicate original equipment standards and fit most car makes, models, and years. Make sure to check the fitment guide to ensure compatibility. Made from premium ABS, this product is built to last. It can withstand daily wear and tear while maintaining its stylish appearance. They are tough and impact resistant, so they won't easily crack or bend. The hubcaps feature premium metal adjustable retention rings. These rings ensure a secure fit, keeping them firmly in place during every drive. You can rely on them for long-lasting security. Installation is a breeze with the snap-on design. No tools or professional help is needed. You can easily remove and reattach them for cleaning or will checks. Transform your car's look with these stylish hubcaps. They are easy to install and offer a premium look and performance. Save time and money with this simple upgrade. What we like. This hubcap is built to last with its durable ABS construction, resisting wear and tear. It also features a secure, adjustable fit, ensuring it stays in place. If you're looking for a hubcap that's easy to install and provides long-lasting performance, this is a great choice. What people say. They look really good on and they seem to be quite durable. They arrived well packed. The installation was easy and when I snapped them on, they seemed to hold on securely. Number 4. BDK 16-inch wheel cover hubcaps, set of 4. Tired of looking at those boring steel rims? These hubcaps are designed to give your car a fresh, stylish appearance. They are easy to install and will instantly enhance the look of your vehicle. These hubcaps are designed to fit most car makes, models, and years with 16-inch steel rims. Please check the fitment guide to ensure they are compatible with your vehicle. They are a direct OEM replacement. Made from premium ABS, these hubcaps are built to last. They can withstand daily wear and tear and resist cracking or bending, even on rough roads. This ensures long-lasting performance. The hubcaps feature premium metal adjustable retention rings for a secure fit. These rings ensure that they stay firmly in place during every drive. You can drive with confidence. No tools are needed for installation. The snap-on design allows for a quick and hassle-free process. You can easily remove and reattach them when cleaning or performing wheel checks. Transform your car's appearance without breaking the bank. These hubcaps provide a premium look and performance. They are a cost-effective way to upgrade your vehicle's style. What we like. These hubcaps are designed for a secure fit with adjustable retention rings, ensuring they stay firmly in place. They are also made from durable ABS, which can withstand daily wear and tear. If you are looking for a hubcap that combines style with security and easy installation, consider this one. What people say. The rims look great on my Civic. The wheels fit perfectly and look great. The wheels are a perfect fit. Number 3. BDK Hubcap 16 Wheel Rim Cover for Toyota Camry. Tired of dull wheels? These hubcaps are designed to give your car a fresh new look. They're easy to install and will instantly enhance the appearance of your vehicle. These hubcaps are specifically designed to fit 16-inch steel rims. Please make sure they are compatible with your car's make and model before purchasing. They replicate original equipment standards. Made from premium ABS, this product is built to last. It can withstand daily wear and tear, resisting cracking or bending even on rough roads. This ensures long-lasting performance. The hubcaps come with premium metal adjustable retention rings. These rings ensure a secure fit, keeping them firmly in place during every drive. You can drive with confidence. No tools are needed for installation. The snap-on design allows for a quick and hassle-free process. You can easily remove and reattach them for cleaning or will checks. These hubcaps offer a premium look and performance without the extra cost. They are stylish and easy to install, saving you time and money. Get ready to admire the transformation. What we like. With its easy snap-on installation, you can quickly transform your car's look without any tools. It also features a secure, adjustable fit, so you don't have to worry about it coming loose. If you like a hassle-free upgrade that enhances your car's appearance, this is the one for you. What people say. They fit snugly, easy to install. These snap right on and look great on my 2004 Toyota Corolla Matrix. These wheel covers fit well and make a significant change to the look of plain steel rims. Number 2. Road-ready Honda Civic 16-inch black rim. This is a direct replacement wheel for your 2016 to 2025 Honda Civic. It's designed to meet original equipment specifications, ensuring a perfect fit. This rim is specifically designed for the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2025. It matches the original tire size of 215/55 R16. The wheel is fully compatible with all your factory equipment. This includes TPMS sensors, lug nuts, valve stems, wheel covers, and even winter tires. Installation is easy because it's engineered to factory specifications. You can expect a direct fit, making the replacement process straightforward. Whether you need a single wheel replacement, a full set swap, or a spare, this rim is ideal. Please note that tires, TPMS sensors, lug nuts, valve stems, and wheel covers are not included. What we like. This rim offers a direct OEM replacement, ensuring a perfect fit for your Honda Civic. It is fully compatible with all factory equipment, including TPMS sensors. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install rim that matches your car's original specifications, this is the perfect option. What people say. The rims fit perfectly on my 2018 Honda Civic. The wheels look great and really change the look of the car. The quality of the rims is excellent. Number 1. Road-ready Honda Civic 16-inch black wheel. This wheel is a direct replacement for your 2013 to 2015 Honda Civic. It's designed to fit perfectly, ensuring a seamless look and feel. It's the ideal solution for replacing a damaged wheel or upgrading your car's appearance. The wheel features a stylish black machine face with a diamond cut finish. This design adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle. The finish is durable and designed to withstand the elements. This wheel is fully compatible with your existing OEM equipment. This includes TPMS sensors, lug nuts, valve stems, wheel covers, and tires. You won't need to worry about compatibility issues. Installation is a breeze, as the wheel is engineered to factory specifications. You can expect a direct fit, saving you time and effort. Just confirm the correct tire size for the perfect fit. Whether you need a single replacement, a full set swap, or a spare, this wheel is a great choice. It's a reliable and cost-effective solution for all your rim replacement needs. Please note that tires, TPMS sensors, lug nuts, valve stems, or wheel covers are not included. What we like. This rim is engineered for easy installation, guaranteeing a direct fit. It is also fully compatible with all factory equipment, ensuring a seamless integration. If you are looking for a rim that combines style with ease of installation and compatibility, you should consider it. What people say. The rims look great on my Civic. The wheels fit perfectly and were easy to install. They completely changed the look of my car. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.